Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create animate talking photos using the TalkingPhotos AI app. So I'm logged into my TalkingPhotos account. This is the home page. So to start off, click on Create Video at the top, and you'll see this pop up, and there are 4 types of videos you can create using TalkingPhotos AI. You can create human videos, 2D and 3D cartoon talking videos. You can create animal videos, and finally you can create singing and dancing videos, and I'll be creating separate tutorials for each of these types of videos. So I'll choose the 2D and 3D cartoon video option. In this first step, you need to choose the aspect ratio. You can create horizontal or 16:9 aspect ratio videos, or vertical videos, which is essentially 9:16 aspect ratio. So I'll choose the vertical video option and then click on Create New Character. And this next step is where we generate or animate character using an AI prompt. You can use this drop-down box and choose male or female character. I'll leave it to female and then use this drop-down box to choose the ethnicity. I'll leave it as white, and using this drop-down, I'll choose either 2D or 3D. So I'll leave it as a default 3D and then enter my AI prompt into this box and then click this Generate button. It can take about 15 to 20 seconds to generate the image, so just give it a few seconds. And then once the image is generated, you're going to see it right here in this area, as you can see. You can use this button to download the image to your computer. So you can use this image as is or change the prompt if you're not happy with this. You can also use this Extend Prompt button if you're not happy with this character, but bear in mind that the anime characters generated using this app are not your typical anime characters. This is what it sort of looks like. But if you want to, you can also do a face swap, and I've showed that in a separate video. I'm happy with this image, so I'm going to click Next. In this next step, we have to choose a motion, which are essentially body movements and hand gestures. As you can see, if I scroll down, there are many different motion animations and hand gestures to choose from. You can hover your mouse over a specific one and then click this button over that specific animation to see what the animation looks like, as you can see here. Let me close this preview dialog box, and then I'll choose this one, and then click Next. In this next step, we need to choose the audio. There are 3 tabs at the top. You can import an audio file like an MP3. You can record your own voiceover right here. Or you can use the built-in text-to-speech feature, which is what I'm going to do. So you enter your text into this box that you want to convert into text-to-speech. You can choose your language by using this drop-down. I'll leave it to the default English. And then you can choose this drop-down right here to choose the voice, male or female. I'll stick with the default area. And then in here, some of the voices have emotions, so you can choose specific emotions here. Again, I'll just leave it to the default general. You can also use these 2 sliders to control the speed and the pitch of the text-to-speech voiceover. And then finally click the Import Speech button. It'll then generate the voiceover in a few seconds, and then you can use this Play Audio button to preview the voiceover. So let me close this dialog box and then click Next in the bottom right corner. In this final step, you need to name your project. So I'll give it a name, and then click Render Video. It'll then start the rendering process and bring you to this page. It can take up to 20 minutes to render the video. And if you click on this Go to My Videos button, it'll take you to the My Videos section, where you'll see the progress of the video processing. In the meantime, you can work on another video project if you want to. This particular one took less than 10 minutes to process. And then once the video is rendered, you'll see these options to preview, download, delete, and reuse the character. And here's how the video came out.
Hey guys, would you like to generate different types of AI characters, including anime characters like this one? And then turn them into talking photos just as you are seeing right now? You can even create short stories with these kinds of videos. To learn more, you can check Anthony's step-by-step tutorial. You'll find the link in this video.
So there you have it. You can get talking photos for a discounted price for a limited time. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.